talk about the Craft Perfect and Nouveau bundles for this weekend. Some really cool festive bright colours for this weekend, and all at a big discount as well, so you'll be able to find those on the website alongside the dies we've just seen. So we'll go through them individually. The first bundle then that we have here has a lovely satin card, and you can see here you've got that lovely turquoise blue and a silver there. Then next we have got this side, we have got mirror card in a green, red and a gold for you. Then we have got the Jingle Bells sequin, glitter and confetti packs. Now you got all four, well, you get 4 colours in total. You get red, green, you get a copper and a gold, and you get in each of them then you get those sequins, confetti and glitter. We also have the same in the Let It Snow packs, so there you go, you can see them in their pack there, you get the 4 included in each. Then we've got some glitter card which we've got in a green, red, silver and gold, and then finally 3 packs of red line tape. Now all those bundles, as you can see, really festive, bright, great for padding out your craft stash. So a really excellent selection of bundles this weekend for you to get a saving on. And there we have it. Those are the bundles for this weekend. Lots there to look forward to with dies, Craft Perfect and Nouveau available on the store. There's big discounts on this, so well worth checking those out, and they're available until Monday at 4 p.m. So go and check yourself out some of those bundles and make a saving.